Hello everyone, this is Ashok Verma, online chess coach from India. Today we will learn some tactics position from white side, white to play. Take time, you can set this position on chessboard also, or you pause here and think. See all the possible option from white side. Bishop h6, good move. Clearing first rank. Rook cross h6, now queen cross d4, excellent move, e cross d4. And see, the first move idea was to clear the line. F rook b1. Threat is rook b8 checkmate. So black is trying to guard this b8 square. C cross d7 check. Rook cross d7. Rook b8 checkmate. So see, black has a weakness here. You can pause video and think. e6. Threat is if queen moves, then queen can take bishop. This is a threat. If pawn cuts, then black will lose bishop. If queen cuts, bishop is here, okay. So bishop has to go back. Bishop cross e6. Now, if your move is bishop d4, idea queen g7 mate, then very good. f6. Queen g4, attacking bishop. But bishop cannot cut queen. Bishop is pinned. See here. So bringing one more support. Still queen is safe. And if black cuts white's bishop, he will lose queen here. One more attack. Any rook e1. 3 attacker here. And black has only 2 support, so he is going to lose the piece there. White to play again. Rook cross h6, excellent move. G cross h6 now. Queen g8, excellent move. Queen sacrifice. After knight cuts, bishop f5, checkmate. Here what to do? Black's threat is queen cross c2. Rook c5, good move. Queen cross c5. Now very easy for white to win here. I think you got it. Rook cross h7 check. King cross h7 or knight cross h7 and queen g7 checkmate. Here see this x-ray attack here g7. How to clear the line? Knight d7. If knight cuts, queen g7 mate. If queen cuts, bishop cross f6 and queen g7 is coming. g6. Queen g5, not h4, okay. Queen g5 and queen h6. Now it's too late to cut this, checkmate. e6, good move. Bishop is hanging here. Queen under attack. So bishop has to go back. Knight e5, good move. If knight takes knight, then queen will take and threat will be queen g7. He has to push pawn f6 and he will lose bishop on e6. If queen moves b7, knight cross c6, queen cross c6, queen e5, threat, queen g7 mate. So black has to stop with f6, queen cross c6, winning a piece. This is the last position. knight c5 check. If king goes back b8 or c8, rook e8 is coming. Pawn takes knight, then rook b1 check. Again, if king goes c8, rook e8 is coming. If king a6, pawn c4 and rook a3, checkmate here. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you liked it. You can subscribe so that I can make more videos like this. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.